Essay, ESSAY, essay. My aim in life. My aim in life, life. The people have their dreams in life. The people people have their dreams dreams in life life. Many want to be rich. Many want want rich rich. Some person dream of becoming leaders, political and social reformers. Some person person dream of becoming becoming leaders leaders, political political and social social reformers reformers. There are others who have a craze for becoming poets, writers, and novelists. There RARER, others OTHERS, who have have a craze CRAZE for BEB, coming COMING, poets POETS, writers WRITERS, and novelists NOVELISTS. Most of us want to become engineers, doctors, and scientists of great repute. Most of us USS want TO to become engineers, engineers, doctors, doctors, and scientists, scientists, of great, great, repute, repute. I am born of a middle class parents. I am born born of a middle middle class class parents parents. From the very beginning, I have been interested in teaching. From from the very beginning, beginning, I have have been interested interested in teaching teaching. From the core of my heart, I wish to become a teacher. From the the core core of my heart heart. I wish wish to become become a teacher teacher. The motto of this life: simple living and high thinking. The motto of this this life life. Simple simple is simple, living living, and high high, thinking think thinking inspires me to take up this profession. Inspires inspires me take up this profession profession. The noble ideals of the teacher of the past are before me. The the noble noble ideals ideals of the the teachers teachers of the past rar before 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 me. I am fully aware of the difficult and hard life of a teacher. I am fully fully aware aware of the the difficult difficult and hard hard life life of a teacher teacher. In spite of the hardships, I want to become a teacher from my early childhood. In spite spite of the the hardships hardships hardships. I want want to become become a teacher teacher from my early early childhood hood childhood. I have developed a love for the young children. I have developed developed a love for for the the young children children. To me, to me, they are delicate and beautiful like the petals of flower. They are they are delicate delicate and beautiful beautiful like like the the petals petals of flower flower. I feel that as a teacher I can help the students in widening their outlook by giving them knowledge. I feel that that as a teacher teacher I can help can help the students the students students in widening widening वसी करना their their outlook out look by by giving giving them knowledge knowledge. I shall make them good and useful citizens. Shall make them them good good and useful full citizens citizens. I shall make them good and useful citizens. Teaching is a prophetic profession. Teaching teaching is a prophetic prophetic profession profession. Teachers are the custodians of the highest values. Teachers are the custodians custodians यानी मुहाफिज of the the highest highest values values. I work day and night to achieve my aim. I work work day and night night to achieve achieve my aim I am aim. I am satisfied with this profession. It is according to my taste and nature. I am satisfied, SATIS satis FIED fired with a VWITH with this 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 profession PROFESSION profession. It is ITHIS is it is according ACCORD according accord ing according to my TO2 MY my taste TAST taste taste and and nature nature.